Alkaline or Masicka, Vendetta or Genocide. Leave in the comments who you think is the best artist. Now let's see what the streets of Jamaica are saying. Now this video was 2 years ago, so let's go.
Right now them say Alkaline and Masicka Artiste. If them for clash, who you feel a win?
Masicka, man.
She said Masicka.
Masicka can beat Alkaline, that you tell me?
One for Masicka.
Right through. Me I get serious.
One for Masicka. Okay.
Don't know talk a bag of things, you say a bag of things. But we want to know the people them say. We want to ask the people some questions and hear them say. So far now, we can roll out.
We there one, we are forward. We there one.
So boom, what are you with?
Chada man.
Fresh.
Chaga man.
Bush himself.
Cutty like
One bush.
bitter like gall, my name I call.
Pretty.
Who are you with?
You know with watch your pussy.
Out for them a shutter and a watch them woman. How we call them boy there? Who's the watchman?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Judisha.
Toka suave.
Talk out now, man.
Suave man, suave boy.
There, I know the one green going on. Man, do more love, you know.
So boom, who are you with?
Gringo.
Man. You don't know
Again, then Mafia. Gringo.
Beauty Salam. Yeah, you know the style.
Yeah, man, something like them, man. Them man is a marketing. You know where I come from? No more for know. Who are your top 5 artists right now? Who are on the ground?
Alright, let's see. Let's see what they say.
No.
Skeng 2 years ago.
Grand spend them again, man. Joshy, man. And them are on the road and you don't know the system there, but
When I'm just
you
most,
know,
them time.
like one time. Daddy wanna do him things same way.
Yeah man, then they want my artist.
The world gone already.
From the days of out there, or no, out here.
With the team, with your every time we out here. Mix up a G and G with the bio.
What your name? Ante. Custom.
Then, I'm done. Yeah, custom whip. Man, I push a gram.
Yo, Daddy one. My artist.
Papi, you know Papi are the man right now. We are
Pop
doing this.
So
can.
right now, more you give me your top 5 dancehall artists right now. I'm not talk all time, I talk about what the artists, the top 5 artists right now.
Alright. First me I say Skilly Bang.
Yeah,
I
Alright.
say Joshy.
yeah,
Skeng.
Alright.
yeah.
Alright.
You have him name.
Review.
Again. Street Jenna.
What him name?
Mix them do it. You know Street Jenna.
Yeah.
Alright. Who else?
One more.
You don't know teacher ever run anything down.
Yeah man.
Yes, you never know.
No.
Trish, who are your top 5 dancehall artists right now? Who are on the streets
Cartel
right now?
from-
5 of them.
From the 2000s till now, Cartel, King of Dancehall. If you, anybody disagree, leave in the comments, but most people will agree.
And big.
Big.
Okay,
You done a new one?
Which song Big sing?
I remember I go about it like.
You have to know the song, you know.
What did I run TikTok?
Sky, more for know who are your top 5 dancehall artists right now? Like, who are on the streets for you?
Masicka. Masicka.
she said Masicka.
They are
man.
saying where we are trying to find out
She
who
said
are the
Masicka.
top 5 artists, dancehall artists.
She
And we
said
know you
Masicka.
don't
She
talk, so we
said
know you
phone.
all of the new song. Who you feel
She
around
said
the place
Masicka.
right now?
If you say, everyone, the name, man,
Who that?
What like this one?
Mr. Vegas.
Mr. Vegas.
Mr. Vegas. Who else?
If you say,
Super Cat too.
Super Cat.
Yeah, because you're out. Oh, Super Cat. I used to say, 80s dancehall is still my favorite dancehall, but I started listening to the newer dancehall now. I know, like, Super Cat, them bad artists, but things and times change. She all time. She a granny man. So
Bunty.
Shabba Rankin, Ninja Man.
Jano, nah man, I lie. I want to know who are the
Them artists, you know.
top 5
Them artists,
dancehall
you
artists
know.
right now. Who are on the ground right now?
Well, to honestly tell you the truth, I don't really listen reggae in about.
Man, boo. Tomato, tomato, tomato. I'm throwing tomatoes.
You them a do them thing
But I
like.
really listen reggae.
Me a Joshy, me a Skeng. Me a do them a do them thing. Them a do them thing.
So you know 5 people you can say are them?
No, not literally, but Popcorn is my artist and Movada is my one from day one. And I don't really know what you could
Cartel.
What am I doing?
So what I want to know is who are your top
No
5
Cartel, no
dancehall artists
Alkaline.
right now? Who are on the ground right now?
I'm going to tell you about 5
No
people.
Masicka.
Skeng are number 1. Joshy second.
Alright.
Who else? Yo, easy to my girl. Joshy, then who else? Daddy, easy to this thing. Joshy, then who else? Skilly. Yeah, Skilly United. Skilly there so.
You have 2 more.
Masicka United. When I young.
So far, nobody don't say Alkaline. That's shame.
I did chaperone the ground, never lie.
You know the badness go already. So I want to know who are your top 5 dancehall artists right now? Who are on the place for you?
Right now, we are on the place at Skilly Bang, you know. Yeah, Intense and the man was saying, what name is Skeng, Cartel. One see me.
Intense make some conscious music, you know. If you go on this channel, you go to all this song like Prime Time.
I get them a banana, I get them a grow where you now mad and some not father. Put my trust in the ladder, in my loan, my cap and all the premier praise like thing only other. Get them a band, get them a grow. Things I'm a door, yo, they would even know. And I put my trust in a yo, and I put my trust in a yo. Man, could a man a woman, virgin, where you at home, man? Yeah. Yo, man, I'm a prime time, bows out.
Yo, them song, yo. Conscious music, man. Prime
You
Time.
want to know who are your top 5 dancehall artists right now? Who are on the ground?
Masicka, Shano,
Shano.
Yjaye.
One more.
And the crocodile teeth.
Full of gun,
Really?
full of crocodile teeth.
Question I want to know.
Everything
Who
get
are your top
banana
5
each.
dancehall artists right now? Who are on the ground?
I go on the ground now?
Yeah.
Well, I don't really look for a dancehall thing. I 80s, I listen to one of them something else.
Yes, if you know why I start keep it real and all that vibe I come with for.
Him say Lieutenant Stitchy Papa San, Admiral Bailey, Jenny P, Ninja Man, Shamaranks. My artists them see you still.
Leave, man.
Alright, so who you hear
Charlie
about?
Chaplin.
Yeah, about whole heap of different.
Yellow Man.
Yo.
Yo.
Alright, so who are your top 5 all time then?
All time?
Yeah.
Well, me have
Yeah,
Dennis
Ricky
Brown,
Stereo, man.
Beanie Man,
Papa Tyan.
Sizzla,
Yeah.
and whole heap more artists.
No,
The man the old man must say them are going to keep it in the 80s and 90s same, you know. Big up yourself in the general. Alright, let's see how what. Traditional
80s and 90s are real dancehall music. That's the thing. Right now, the thing kind of change. But it's a new style. New things must come or forward, so, you know.
for you.
Not
Who are
wrong.
your top 5 hottest dancehall artists right now?
Not really wrong.
Anybody, artist.
Alright, number 1, Spice.
Spice.
Queen.
Wait, my name Skilly Bang. Shensia.
Kakala Princess.
2 more.
What your name?
Like you love artists with S. So I'm going to say Skeng.
Skeng, yeah.
4 S that she got on it.
And
Skilly.
Idonia.
Is it Skilly already?
Who are your top 5 dancehall artists right now? Who
Hold
are on the
man,
ground?
if you stop them, tell you.
Skilly.
Yo, knowledge up, man.
3 more.
Yes, that's my name.
Marley Dan.
Miss Jen asks if me a still thief.
Yes, Miss Jen, I'm still a thief. Still here committing criminal activity.
Shaman me of Gold God, that convo thing. Hey, Gold God me the convo thing.
Marley I go on. Govey.
Gold God, yeah, Gold God me convo thing as well.
That's clear. La boss.
That's different.
Ah, boss.
Yeah, man.
You know you're going already. I want to ask you, who are your top 5 dancehall artists them right now? Who are on the ground?
Who are on the ground? One nation, you know. Gaza nation.
So it's not really Alkaline versus Masicka because you're not asking people Alkaline or Masicka, you're just asking top 5. But so far nobody will mention Alkaline, it's a shame.
You know.
Who else?
You don't know Chronic
No,
Law,
no,
no Joe,
boy.
and I'm thing, you know. one gringo and no joke and anything, you see me?
Need 3 more.
You know it go. Joshy Bash, big up yourself, son. I say I do it, you see it? Yeah, man. And differently, Governor, big up yourself. You see it? And the next look one when I see I run the place, you know. When name Skeng. Yeah, I do it, youth. Don't stop doing it, you see it?
Sandy from Dungertown. Miss Sandy, I want to know who are your top 5 dancehall artists right now? Who are on the ground?
The most person I listen to still are Chense.
Who?
Chense.
Who?
Chense.
Chense?
Chense, yeah?
Chense,
yeah.
4 more, please, 5 of them.
Me not really. Alright, them.
Is it Spice?
Yes.
Who else? Need 3 more.
Dirt with dirt. Dirt. Everybody get your bones, what ya?
One more. Alright, let's see how the kids them say Skeng and Skilly Bang, you know.
Right now, I represent the
Youths are the future. They know the future, you understand? So if they say Skeng and Skilly Bang.
baddest YouTube channel. Let you know. You don't at all with it. The youngest and the baddest blogger.
Youngest and the baddest.
Let's be
Alkaline.
honest. And who are going to win the clash? Who you say are going to win the clash? Right now we represent for the baddest blogger. Let's be honest.
Alkaline and Masicka, look at them, I go at it right.
No free promotion, but use the blue top, water. Blue top is the best.
So the data boss can't win?
No, man. Me not saying can't, you know, him tough, you know, but when it comes to genocide, brother, them man they can spit lyrics right through. Yeah, man, he kill a tough man.
No,
on one side, them say I don't talk things, you know. Big up yourself in the general. Respect. Big up yourself, no many people don't can come find, you know.
Yeah, 70 West Street, downtown, Glam Queen Closet and 100 Orange Street, Joe Gibbs Shopping Center. Glam.
How the price them stay?
Low, cheap price, dollar price.
Yeah, come support them, man. I'm too, no. Come support, man. Big up yourself, yeah. So that means that the next question I should even ask you because them say Alkaline and Masicka both for war. Who you feel would have win?
Masicka.
So you know, feel the data boss with
say
that?
Masicka,
And him don't lose
Masicka,
already
everybody
from
say
squash
Masicka.
days. Him now no come again. Him done.
Alright, maybe they come on to clash. Maybe that's why they say Masicka. Not like I don't rate Masicka, I rate Alkaline and Masicka same way. But it knows the Alkaline, bad artist. Let me charge it. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna charge your phone. Channel. I feel hurry up and done the video.
So that's why she hide her face. And that's why you hide the face, you know, because you know, so the vanity of you.
She's not afraid.
She bad.
She's
Even
afraid.
Masicka, you know. Big up yourself, eh? So question, Alkaline and Masicka.
Okay,
them say them
there we
both
go,
go
there
at
we
it
go.
now. Who you feel would have win the clash then?
Well, as I say, if I'm do it musically, I think though. If there's musically, I don't bring no violence tonight, because too much violence in the dancehall.
I ain't trying to hear that bullshit, man.
So you didn't want to see no clash then because you don't need it right now?
No. Play music and put back reggae up there.
Yeah, the man they must say peace here, so that downtown I say, you know.
Peace and love, peace and love.
Mad move, yeah? There with it, yeah, my God, yeah.
Bless up. The question, them say Alkaline and Masicka both for war. Who you feel that win that?
Yes,
So
Masicka.
let the boss can't flash him.
I don't mind think that. What, genocide, straight.
Yo, downtown say genocide is a genocide place me there, you know. You big up yourself in them general.
Yeah, I want to cut the life.
So right now, them say Masicka and Alkaline both for want it. Who you a bet for win? Masicka or Alkaline?
Masicka, me say na Portmore for life, you know, bitter as you know. Bitter like God when you call, you know.
So why you was Alka can't war against that?
Oh man, no time at all, man. You don't know what that
Oh,
already.
you didn't see more squash and poppy already?
Squash and poppy thing, them are joke, my friend.
Yeah, that's trouble there, trouble there, you boy.
Yeah. When it come out to them, dog, they don't know about this come down, dog. Brawling, dog. You see me? Brawling.
Yeah, I know me I say it now, the people them are saying genocide, you know. Big up on yourself there. Yeah, man, respect my phone. Don't let me hang like that. But, respect, man. Right now, them say Alkaline and Masicka at it. If them clash, who you feel a win?
Masicka, man.
So you really feel like Masicka beat Alkaline? That you tell me? The vendetta boss.
Right through. Me I get serious.
Why you feel so? Me want to know.
I mean.
I will see Alkaline clash Popcorn already. I will see him clash the 6 them.
Alright.
And him hold him.
What we about them?
You notice a lot of vendetta fans on this channel right now. I see in the comments, but you don't feel no way. Alkaline bad. Can't change that. No matter what anybody say. No matter what anybody say, man.
Me feel like Alkaline would have win. That me I say.
Feel like.
Alright, man.
Feel like one side.
And a genocide.
And a genocide.
Yo, big up Prinny from Downtown, you know. Big up yourself, yeah? Alright.
Yeah.
Masicka and Alkaline both for war. Who you feel like will win the war? The Masicka or Alkaline?
Masicka, of course.
Yeah, why you say that?
Masicka, I'm an artist. I don't really follow Alkaline. Alkaline just can't bother with Alkaline.
But you don't know, you know, let's be honest.
Seem like she on the Alkaline, you know? She feel hurt, so she switch.
Them say genocide. So Alkaline and Masicka got them both for clash. Who you feel like win a clash then?
Masicka by far.
You know, Alkaline. Every artist full of jealousy.
Can't flash Masicka.
I hear a boy now, but I don't know. Man, come on, JD, man. Masicka. Easily. Easy.
Yo, don't tell you, I'm not come out down and say, that's a one genocide place, you know, I swear.
Easy, Masicka.
Yo, big up yourself in the talker. So, question. Alkaline and Masicka look like them both kicked off serious right now. Who you feel will win that, if them for do it?
Yeah, I feel like Masicka will kick him in him teeth still, you know.
Roberto Carlos hardball.
No joke about it.
Genocide.
Genocide the thing there, no joke, no night.
Big up yourself for them, G. Respect. Wow, man. Right now, them say Alkaline and Masicka both go at it. Who you feel would win that?
Alright, now you see the Alka. Him have a little secret weapon right now. Me shoot him about Masicka. Him have one Gaza team player, but no, don't play with him. He sting you like a bees.
So who you say?
Right now, me go Masicka right now, straight.
So when you say Alkaline versus Masicka, it's like you're saying Gully versus Gaza. Because you know Alkaline and Mavado have a connection. I'm a friend, and then Masicka and Cartel, a friend. So you say Gully versus Gaza, vendetta versus genocide, rebirth.
Yep.
And even if you see Vybz Cartel interview with the Fix, he said he want to class Alkaline, leave him to someone in his age group. You know, Cartel come from the 2090s, and Masicka and Alkaline come from like 2010s. So I may say.
Give yourself in a downtown is a genocide.
Everybody say Masicka.
Alkaline and Masicka look like them both for war. Who you feel would win them for clash? Masicka.
Yeah.
Why you say Masicka?
Because Masicka bad. Alkaline bad too, don't get me wrong in about
Exactly.
Jenna thing, you know.
Jenna thing.
Yeah.
You must say Masicka, you know, because see what's going on.
Want to tell the people them name first. Alright, Melissa. I sell right downtown, down a Beckford Street.
Tell them what you have.
I have fitness clothes, so I just want to tell the people them, so when I'm ready, come check in, cheap and clean, not there, not past 3 grand, not in a 3 grand range, under.
So you know if you want cheap and you want to come clean, come check Melissa down a town. Though, big up yourself here, girl and boy, everything there. So question, do you know Alkaline and Masicka?
No, I don't know them, but I hear their music.
Yeah. So who you like more, Alkaline or Masicka?
Alkaline.
Finally.
Yo, people them say vendetta, you know, I'm doing no man. Alright, I say, sure thing them no man. Where you have, shut the body beach shots them, though.
Dress them, yeah. It dress and yeah, and the thing them. We want you to promote them, man. Go on.
I'm gonna make something go on. So in this job, something now go on for you, hear me? So big up yourself, you don't know I love you know. Alright. So boom, we forward downtown, we get to the people they must say a skeng, they must say a skelly bang, they must say a Masicka, they must say right now Alkaline has a chance get Masicka. I know what me say, I what them say, I know what you say. Let's be honest about. Who you say look man, Alkaline or Masicka?
Alkaline.
Alkaline, alright. Yo, the look at them and say vendetta.
Listen you man, listen you. Oh, it's a scary movie. My God, I don't deal with them thing. So yeah man, leave in the comments again, genocide or vendetta, Alkaline or Masicka. And also go check out my other videos on Alkaline. And we out.